Hello, hello, hello. Welcoming you all in our today's session. So, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Afrin Mehman and I'm a financial analyst with Olymptrade broker. Well, dear traders, I'm quite excited as I'm conducting this webinar today. With I can see the people are joining, amazing group of traders are joining. That's very nice. Okay, so it's been always a pleasure for us to discuss various ideas and topics related to trading. Today we'll be discussing a strategy named AXEL. Of course, you might have already gone through. Dear traders, those who have joined, just wanted to inform you that we'll be waiting for a couple of minutes so that our other traders should join this webinar. And by that time, if you have your friends or colleague or any relative who is trading on Olymptrade, kindly do drop this live meeting link with them. Do subscribe the channel, like the channel, and definitely the comment box is open, dear traders, so you can drop your doubts related to trading, any feedback with the broker you want to discuss, any ideas. Definitely the comment section is open. It would be glad to read out your comments. All right, I'm seeing that traders are still joining our session. That's great. That's great. So, dear traders, we are going to communicate with each other today for the very first time. Okay, so since I am conducting this webinar in English language for the first time, of course, I'll be having my traders who will be joining from different parts of the world, and it will be a great interaction section today. So the communication will be conducted with us in between us and gets how. Of course, we have the comment section open. It would be communicated through the comment section. Of course, your audio won't be visible to me, but of course, I can read out the comments. And we will be discussing certain ideas, different topics related to trading other than the strategy also. So be there, stay tuned. All right, I can see many traders are joining still. Okay, that's nice. I just wanted to make sure one more thing, the traders who have joined, kindly drop in the comment section if my audio and video is clearly visible and audible so that we can communicate with more proper manner. Well, I'm looking after the traders who are joining. All right, all right. Again, welcoming you all. A very warm welcome to all of you who have joined just now this live session today. Myself, Afrin Mehman, I am a financial analyst with Olymptrade broker. So, dear traders, today we are going to discuss a strategy named as Excel. You all have might read it already. All right. Just requesting you all to drop your comments. Okay, Surajji, I can read it as ha. All right, I'm receiving the comments. That's nice. Okay, Akpakji, a very warm welcome to you, madam. Thank you so much, sir. I feel so glad. I have seen you in our other webinars too, Mr. Akpak, and I hope this webinar session will be useful for you. Okay, Mr. Suraj, Singh start. All right, sir. Okay, surely. I'm starting it. Thank you, thank you. All right, dear traders. So as you can see on my screen, this is the desktop version of volume trade, dear traders, which you are seeing currently. Of course, the mobile application visuality will be a bit different, but it is not that whatever options which I'm looking at my screen won't be visible in the mobile app. Everything will be there. Of course, the configuration, the visualization will be a bit different. All right. So This is our Olymptrade app. There are four options given to you on the left corner, that is trades, market, events and help section. I hope this is just a basic idea which I am sharing for those traders who are joining very new on our platform, who are at their initial stage currently. Yes, so these are the four options. Below that on the left corner you can see there are three options given to you as signals, as chart types, at technical analysis. So of course this strategy, most of the traders might be already aware that our strategy section is located under this technical analysis part. Okay, so we need to click on technical analysis part. All right, I'm just closing it since I was having that activated. Once you click on technical analysis part, there will be four options which are getting open. One is indicators, oscillators, drawing and strategies. So we will be discussing a strategy. So of course we'll be finding it in the strategy section. We just need to click over there, scroll a bit down, and here it is. See, dear traders, the name is AXEL. It's present over here. It is available for the advanced and expert traders, but need not worry. I'll show you how our starter level traders can also use this manually. Okay, so there is nothing you need to worry. I'll show you how this strategy works, what time frame it works, and what candlesticks patterns you need to follow, with signals you need to follow. Basically everything I'll try to cover it up in today's session, dear traders, for you all. Okay. Once I click on Excel, there will be a short description video given for the YouTube. You definitely, dear traders, you can check it in your free time. It won't take like more than 3 minutes. It is approximately 2 or 2.5 minutes, you can say. Okay, so there is a short description given, and the strategy is based on one momentum, as you can see. It's only the momentum indicator which is usually used with this strategy. Once I click on enable strategy, here it is. Now you all can see a difference in my screen, dear traders. Well, I believe you all might have already noticed. Okay, let me just go through quickly the comment section. Okay, Devendra Singh ji is saying hello, Karmeet ma'am. I'm sorry, Devendra Singh ji. This is our friend today. Karmeet ma'am, unfortunately not available. Changdem hello ji, hello sir, hello Suraj. Okay, Suraj sir is saying बताए बस आप ले लो. Surely sir, that's glad, Mr. Suraj, that you know everything in trading. I myself have been trying to learn trading since a very long time, and I can say, Mr. Suraj, that till yet I am still practicing the strategies. So in trading, there is never a full stop, sir. Okay, yeah, the knowledge is continuity. In continuity, basically you learn trading every day. There is nothing which can stop us in learning. Okay, so practice makes a man's perfect. Definitely the code goes well with the trading platform too, Mr. Suraj. Okay, Akpak ji is saying we got a new teacher. Her name is not Karmit. Okay, thank you, Akpak ji, for clarifying it with Mr. Devendra. Yes, I just mentioned that I am not Karmit. This is Afreen here today. Okay, please show your trading history. Then sure, I'll discuss. We'll be discussing this strategy, and of course we'll be going through the trading history also of my account. Definitely, need not worry, sir. I'll be there. Okay, Asif Bakij is saying hi. I'm Asif. Hello, sir. I hope you are doing well. Okay, I would like to know, dear traders, how is your trading going on? I want to see the comments. Are you all getting good results? Any dissatisfactory results? What is wrong with the trading? If anything working fine, any errors? Let me know through the comment section. We are here today for this reason. So we want this session to be an interactive one. Okay. And I believe I will try my level best to clarify all of your doubts which will be mentioned in this session today. And also let me know, dear traders, which strategy are you all using? By the time I'll show you this Excel strategy, which is very useful strategy in fixed time and forex both. I would also want to know my traders who have joined this session, are they using any kind of strategies, or they are using only with the indicators or oscillators differently? Let me know through the comments. Okay. All right. So coming back to our topic of Excel strategy. Since you all have noticed that I have enabled this strategy, and there is a momentum line which has been drawn below. There is one blue line which indicates momentum 14 period, and there is one orange line which indicates momentum 9 period. Now, dear traders, how it works and what we need to focus on, I'll show you. Okay. So basically, whenever this strategy is getting applied, on the right corner, if you see, dear traders, there are values mentioned. Somewhere you can consider this 100 line as your baseline. Okay, here it is. So now, whenever this blue line, that is momentum 14, okay, we can just increase this a bit. Okay, to highlight it, I have just highlighted it for more clear visualization. All right, here it is. See, okay, momentum 14 definitely is of higher period, so it's gonna give us a strong signal as compared to momentum 19, sorry, 9. But it is not that the momentum which we are seeing on the screen, it is not useful. It will be useful. You just need to keep in mind about the intersection part. Okay, so whenever this blue momentum line which is running at period 14 touches this orange line in upward direction, we assume that the trend is going in the upward direction. Okay, so you just need to check the intersection of this blue line, and whenever it is crossing this orange line, that is period 9 of this momentum from downward direction, we assume and we see that the trend is going downward direction, and vice versa. All right, so we will keep in our mind that how this intersection will be going, and as per that we will be opening certain trades. One request over here, dear traders, when I'll be clicking on live trading, of course it's a live webinar, but there will be a time difference, okay, of few seconds, not a minute or something, but of course there will be a difference of 20 to 30 seconds. So kindly don't open trade along with me. I have my own risks and money management, dear traders. Yours will be completely different. Utilize this session for your learning. Practicing, you can make it after the session. You have your own account. We have given you the live account. We have given you the demo account. So Olymptrade is providing you multiple services to use your strategies, use your tactics in trading. So try that. But I would only request you not to place trade whenever I am placing a trade. Okay, that is my most re- preferable request. So all right. Okay, well, yeah, I have shown this strategy to you all, how it goes with automatically when it is available. For the traders who are at the starter level and unfortunately it is not available for them, I'll show how you all can apply it manually. So I'm just deleting this. Here is a delete icon. Okay. Again, we need to go in technical analysis section and we need to search for momentum now. Now that momentum we will find out where it is. It will be in the oscillator section. Just need to scroll down. Okay, this is for those trader who don't have the strategy enabled in their account automatically, so they can do it manually. Click on momentum. See, dear traders, once I click on momentum, you saw that automatically the values are set. Okay, it is at 14 and 9. You don't have to make any changes over here. Yeah. I repeat, no changes with the momentum period, because in Excel strategy we need this period of 14 and 9 itself, right? So this is how you will be applying it manually, and there is three dots icon from where you can save this strategy also. You can name it as Excel, you can mark it as your own strategy, whatever name you would like to give. It's better to go it with the trading name itself so that it will be easier for us to remember. Okay, you can save the strategies. All right. So this is how we are going to apply this strategy both. So I showed you manual option, I showed you automatically how it's been available on the platform. Now we will be focusing on the intersection of this blue and orange momentum, and along with that we will see where it is going, in which direction. Okay, I'll be checking the comments again, and by the time I would like my traders to show me certain signals of this Excel strategy and comment down in the section also with the asset name so that we can try to open certain trades and catch a signal. Okay, not in quick law. All right. Okay, Devendra Singh ji is saying Safari strategy is best of bets. Of course, sir, it's a best strategy. All the strategies are best, sir. It is just that it depends upon us that as a trader which we are comfortable with. Okay, so it's basically like whatever strategy you are using. Most important fact is that it should be useful for you. It gives you good rate of returns, like profitability maximum. So I believe Mr. Devendra Safari works best for you. You have gone certain profits with that. So yeah, definitely you can stick with the Safari strategy, and I hope it's giving you good result. Of course, I know so that it won't be giving you 100% of the accuracy, but somewhere around 50 to 60% or maximum, let's say 70% you are achieving. That's great and good to hear, Mr. Devendra, that Safari is working great for you. Even I have tried it, and it's a good strategy, sir. Okay, Asif Fakirji is saying Europe. Okay, great, sir. You were very fast at giving me the signal. By the time I was just showing the strategy, and it's good that you have just catched the strategy very soon. As soon as I just explain it, how you are applying it and everything, you got a signal. But I might have received your comment a bit late. I believe you were telling me somewhere over here. Okay, let me go with the candlesticks pattern. Okay, Asif ji, I believe you were saying me somewhere at this point. Okay, that's a good signal to trend upward for 2 minutes. Right. You got it right, sir. So this was a great signal. So basically, dear traders, this is how we get a signal with the Excel. We just need to see the interaction, in which direction it is going, and as per that, remember that whenever you are making your chart time as 1 minute time frame, we usually go for like double of this chart time, like make it for 2 minutes or maximum 4 minutes sometimes. Depends. It depends. If you are very sure, usually we recommend it to keep it at 1 minute chart and 2 minutes time frame for the Excel strategy. That will be wonderful results. We can at least expect higher rate of returns and profitabilities with that. All right. Okay, Mr. Devendra Singh ji is saying is crossing of line is enough for trading. Mr. Devendra, I would recommend you, it's not enough, but you can consider one part of your trading, of course, because of course you need to see the market trend also. So crossing of line in Excel strategy, yeah, intersection is yeah most important. This is on this basis only, sir, you will be trading with the Excel strategy, okay, with the intersection. But you can see here there are values given 100.015, 100 and 99. So whenever this blue line is crossing this 100 baseline in the upward direction, you open an up trade. You see, sir, here this has crossed 100 baseline over here, and you see a green candle was formed. So if we would have placed our trade at this point for 2 minutes, it would have been in profitable, right? So it would have given us profit. So basically, this is how you need to follow this signals line, and this you can consider it as a support and resistance level also. The below part I am saying here, this works as support. Okay, so whenever this will be touching around, let's say this part 99.9, this blue line is touching, of course it will bounce back. Okay, it won't be staying there for long, it will bounce back. So as per that, you can take it this as support, take this as resistance level, and of course you can follow the price action over here. All right, I'm trying to get a signal to show certain live trades. Okay, there was one request of showing the trade history. Okay, I'll show you the trade history, sir. Here it is. Okay, I haven't traded much today. Here is my trade history, sir. Mr. Devendra was requesting me, so here it is. Okay, you want to see the whole history also? I can go through, sir. Okay. Of course, I was trying something with quick law, but not today. It was yesterday. See, so here. Usually I go for 20, 10, $50 of the amount, like with the trading. Okay. So it's my own risks and money management. That's how I follow. It's completely an individual trader's call that how you're following your risks and money management. I would recommend you whatever you're investing, just make sure you're making like 3 to 4% of the total amount. That is what is needed. Okay, of course. So this is a strategy where we are applying and trying to achieve best and best of the results. Basically, none of the strategy is giving us 100% accuracy, but what we are here today, we are here to learn a strategy so that our negative result will be reduced on the platform. Okay. All right, I'm looking after the comment section. Okay, what's your money management in short? Okay, Akpak ji is asking, what's your money management? Okay, I was just discussing it with you all, Mr. Akpak. Like whatever investment you have, whatever amount you have, we usually go, like I usually go for 3 to 4%. You can see the account, the balance in my live account, but still I'm trading for shorter amounts, like $20 trades, $10 trades. Sometimes I go for $50. Okay, that happened yesterday. So it was as per the market trend. I was trying certain new techniques of trading. So it depends, sir. I go with low amount, and for the recovery I would only recommend you one more important tips in this session. I would like to give you all. Whenever you all are getting a negative result, like for example, you see my trade history, I got on a negative result on gold. Then I went with the Euro USD positive and Asia Composite Index negative. Okay. So whenever you see consecutively you are getting three negative result in a particular asset or in any other asset, like three negative result, I would recommend you not to trade further on that particular time. Take a short break, dear traders. Take a short break at that time. Maybe that market is not working under our favor sometimes. Sometimes the signals and strategies which we are applying, it's not matching with the asset which we are trading on. So there are different factors. So whenever you are getting three negative results continuously, one after the other, stop it for a while, take some rest, have tea, have breakfast, have your lunch, have your dinner, whatever you are doing at that time, break it out and then come back again. So it's better to rest than to get negative result. Okay. So always you can try with these techniques, dear traders. Okay, because it usually happens with the higher volatile market. So yeah, there are chances where, as you can see my trade history, definitely we are also getting negative results. What we are trying is to reduce it with our own strategies and practices. Okay. Okay, Devendra Singh ji, also we all know very well about. Very good, sir. Very good, Mr. Devendra. I believe you have been joining our webinars on regular basis, mostly by the weekly sessions you are joining and everything, and that's good to hear that you know about this momentum and oscillators. All right, all right. Suraj sir was telling me about AUD All right, sir. I'm here. Let me check. It's giving us 80%. All right, going with the candlestick pattern. A great, Suraji. You have catched a good signal. I believe you told me somewhere at this point. Maybe at this point. Okay. Yeah, it's a good signal, sir. If we would have opened our trade at this point, definitely we would have got our profit. Okay, Akpak ji is saying east or west. Thank you so much, Akpak ji, and it's always a pleasure. I'm feeling very excited and glad that I got this opportunity today to interact with you all. Of course, I have taken few webinars in the past, but that was in definitely in different language. But today I'm here with English, so I'm trying my level best to provide you with some technical tools, ideas of trading and everything in detail. Okay. All right. Now, Akpakji, we need to wait since you saw the candle has been changed and there is no intersection of momentum. So we are leaving this asset. Akpakji, mess right now. Okay, Mr. Suraj messaged me about BMW. All right, sir. Very nice, sir. You all are going through these assets and checking the signals. Very nice. I am liking it so much. Great, great. Keep it up, sir, and I hope it will give you, sir. See, it was a signal over here, not at this point. Okay. Now it might be possible this momentum 14 might go downward, and as soon as it goes down or it intersect this orange line, we can open our trade. Okay, I'll keep the time frame as 2 minutes. We will wait for the signals. Okay, there is something in trading which is needed, dear traders, is your patience. Very high patience required, because the signals won't be coming that easy. It is not always an easy strategy. We need to focus it, we need to practice it, we need to switch our asset and try it. Like as I noticed in the comment section, you all have been trying with the different asset, and that's very well done. Okay, I'm changing this asset and trying to find certain signals with different asset also. All right, so that I need to show. See here, it was intersection over here. Yeah, here at this point. Yep, we are very close with the intersection. Okay, it went down. Should I use one risk-free trade? Okay, I can try with one $5 down. Okay, I took a risk. Okay, and I was having risk free trade. This is something for which we are getting on Olymptrade as risk free trade. I hope you all are already aware of it. That if, when you're not sure about the asset direction where it will go, we usually utilize risk free trades, so that whatever amount, if even if it is going in negative, it won't be deducted from the live account. Okay, so this is how the risk free trades usually works. Okay, Usman Chaudhary ji commented like, how do you verify trend direction, trend strength? Okay, Usman ji, trend direction and trend strength. Now the trend direction, usually sir, the simplest way will be through the candlestick pattern. Okay, the market will be following certain trend. If you remember, sir, just in the initial part of our webinar, I just mentioned about the support and resistance level also. Okay, so for example, we can, I'm just going back to explain you. All right, okay, maybe in different asset I will try to find one example for you, Mr. Usman. All right. Not at this the. All right, so here it's an example of support and resistance, Mr. Usman. So the trend direction, if you can see, whenever the, like for example, this is one asset like commodity composite index, and this is the price of a particular asset which is running. Somewhere or the other, it will reach a certain point from where it will bounce back. Okay, that point, if you are reaching that point, is known as resistance level. And from the market, if it is going up, of course it will come down, and from the down it will follow one trend, and from downwards like this over here, it will go bounce back again in the up. So that is what is the support level. So this is how you identify the trend direction. Strength, of course, if you are well aware of this candlestick pattern, it depends upon, you can see some. Now for example, whenever what we usually do as a trader, now you are getting two red candles, then you get one green candles, and again red, and then again green, and again red. This simply means, Mr. Usman, that the market is highly volatile, and I would recommend you to avoid trading. So this is not a strength of the trend. Okay, so it is not a strong signal which you are getting to trade. So here at this point, you can rest for a while again, step back, relax, wait for some time, change your asset and try. So basically, you're not getting a trend. The width of this candle, if you notice, even for the candlestick, let me just quickly share about this info. Whenever you see that the candle formation is having a long tail, okay, long tail like this, or somewhere like this, here the width. Okay, so whenever it will give you a long width or a tail, it means that the signal is not strong. Okay, so it is not forming completely, so the signal is not strong, Mr. Usman. So at this point, of course, you can avoid your trades to place on. Whenever you see that the candle is forming perfectly, like a big candle is forming and the tail of the candle is also like in a normal way, see it's smaller, then it indicates a strong signal. So this is also one way to find the trend sensor. Okay. This is the basic one. Yeah, how you can follow. And if you want to stick with the support and resistance, that would be much better. So you can go with the support and resistance level also. See, it was one signal over here at this point. We were late, taking a risk again and placing my trade. All right. All right, I'm getting the comments. Akpakji, Afrin's dream take flight, reaching new profits tonight. I hope so, sir. I really hope so. I need to recover some amounts which I went into the negative in the afternoon time. So definitely, Mr. Akpak, my fingers are crossed. Okay, till midnight at least. Okay. For Devinder Singh Jisne, what is the result? Oh, yes, sir. By looking after the comment section, we will go through the results also. See, sir, the Europe Composite Index was in profit. I used risk-free trades. Euro USD was in profit, but Asia Composite Index, of course, that $10 went into negative because we were a bit late. So the entry point was not proper. This is the result. Okay, there is one more ongoing trade. Let's see what it gives us. All right, all right. What is the result? Okay, Mr. Suraj is asking, "Arey ma'am, आप English." I'm so sorry, Mr. Suraj. Today is our English webinar for Hindi. You can join tomorrow on Thursday and on Tuesday. But on Wednesday, sir, I highly apologize. We conduct this webinar in English language. So unfortunately, I cannot change the language, sir. But for the Hindi language, you can come tomorrow again, Mr. Suraj, and join on Tuesdays also. Okay, Mr. Usman Shah, yes, but when we do 1 minute to 2 minute trade, it will change the behavior. As if we go for trade at support or resistance level 3 to 4 candle, go consolidate, and after that it will reverse the 10. How to cope with that? Okay, Mr. Usman, I want to know basically your concern is regarding the trade timing or the reversal which is happening. Like support and resistance, sir, as you are well aware, I noticed that you know it is going to work for 1 to 2 minutes and the 3 to 4 candles, that is how you are going to follow. Okay, but of course we need to follow this. So reversal will be there, sir. Sideways pattern, reversal pattern, it will be there because since you know, sir, it is an international market we have been trading, it is highly volatile. The only thing is we can try to, whenever you see a situation like you cannot follow a certain trend or something like that, like in high volatility period or something is happening where you are not sure, nothing, sir, we can do for volatility except to skip trading for that particular day. Okay, so since you have been following support and resistance, you have been following the price action, I believe. You are doing great. Go ahead with it. But if you see a reversal pattern or whenever, then switch your asset, change the timing, do it back again. Akpak is asking, ma'am, you know Telugu? No, Mr. Akpak, I'm sorry, I don't know Telugu language, sir. Uh, Okay, Mr. Usman is asking both. Okay, I'm doing trade on support and resistance, reversal trade. I will also trade on weak candle in this case. But Mr. Usman, it depends. I would not recommend you to go ahead and take a very high risk. Of course, trading has its own risks already, sir. So even if you want to take a trade on weak candle, we should avoid it, but if you are ready to take that risk, sir, go ahead. It's completely, you might be having your own risks and money management for which you have been trading, but to usually so on weak candle, I would not recommend to trade more. Okay, so we just need to wait and watch when we are getting the proper signal, so that our negative result on the platform should get reduced, sir. See here on commodity, it intersected over here downward and the market also went down. So whenever this intersection point will meet each other, blue and orange line, in whichever direction it, and see if the candles are going in the downward, you can if you would have opened a trade over here at this point, it would have given us a profit. Okay. Let's try to catch some signals. I need to place certain trades. I have used two risk-free trades till now. Okay, see, that was a good decision in the last trade. It was a negative and there. Luckily, I was lucky that I used you risk-free trade over there. Okay, but because I was in doubt, it might go in negative, and that was seriously a lucky point for me where I have used these RFTs. All right. Shak sir is saying hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Let me know if you have any doubt. Those who are joining now, also anything related to trading, or anything related to Olymptrade, drop it out. Everything in the comment section. I'm here today to discuss, to clarify your doubts. And keep on sharing this channel link, webinar link, and do like and subscribe our channel and keep it so that you will be notified for all the upcoming events with the Olymptrade. So keep your bell icon open and keep your subscription on, notification on, so you'll be getting the prior intimation only. So every time you don't have to check somewhere that when we are conducting this webinar, it's usually for every week. Once you keep it on, you'll be getting the notification. And do like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family also, dear traders. Of course, I know there will be many traders who are not only trading single handedly on the platform, they'll be having someone, a group of people who are joining, so you can share them this channel link. They will be also learning through here and they'll be getting certain advantage. The basic aim is to, you all have certain knowledge related to the Olympic trading. Okay, let's jump and keep on searching with the assets. Why I'm not getting the signals today, and I'm not. Dear traders, keep on commenting in the section if you all are getting. Let help me out with certain signals so that I can recover my amount. Usman Chaudhary sir say yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, Changdev Valunji is saying, ma'am, how much your daily target? Daily target depends, sir. Usually I keep it like the as per the investment. Whatever I am investing, I should get more than the investment amount. Okay, like for example, $100 if I'm investing, even if I get 150 to $200, or let's say maximum 250 sometimes, that is the kind of daily target which I usually follow, sir. You can try it in your own other way, sir. Okay, Shak sir is saying, ma'am, can you teach me how to trade with 5 seconds? Mr. Shak, 5 seconds is something, sir. The duration is very less. Unfortunately, your strategies and indicators won't be that much of helpful in that duration. Okay, by the time you use the strategies and indicators, the signal will be going out. So I want to know, Mr. Shak, like why you want to go with 5 second only on the platform. Of course, we have this duration and I can show you here it is quickler. Now, whenever you see this quickler asset, see, Mr. Shak, I am showing it out for you, sir. I hope you are looking after the screen. Here it is, sir, this 5 second. You can observe it, sir, how fast and how quickly the candles are running. See the time frame. For this, you'll have to go back, check the history of this quickler asset. where it reached a certain price level, where it went down, where it is resistance, where it is support, did it followed a certain market trend. It's a very risky duration, Mr. Shak. Very, very risky. Usually, sir, I won't recommend the traders to go for 5 seconds because most of the strategies and indicators won't be working out. Most of it. Every strategy and indicators needs minimum like 1 minute of the duration, sir. Minimum 1 minute. Okay, Deepak Rishaji. Hello, sir, madam. I can't control my emotions when I lost the trade. Mr. Deepak, that's sad to hear, sir. For the emotions, I would only recommend you try certain alternatives. Try to set your daily target and try to stop yourself. Avoid trading on that particular day. Try some alternatives, sir. Go out with your friends, family, have dinner. Go out, have a cup of tea, relax, but don't keep on trading because over trading is such a factor which affects the overall result of any trader, sir. Yes, so I would recommend you, Mr. Deepak, try to control it. The more control you will have, sir, automatically your results will be much better with any broker. Okay, emotions should be in control. So trading should not control us. We should control our trading. So this is how the main motive should be in our minds as a trader. I know as a human we all end up doing over trading. Sometimes it's okay, sir, but usually if it is becoming very habitual, then we need to keep ourselves in a very tight position, like where we need to stop, should not over trade, avoid it, sir. Set targets and try to set your trading limit for yourself. Even if you don't discuss it with anyone, no worries, keep it with yourself, but try to stop at that particular time. If you're thinking to stop at $10 or $100 today, and if you're getting that $100, stop that trade. All right. I'm trying to catch one more signal on commodity composite index. Let's see if it is giving us good result or not. I'm feeling very glad that you all have been, as I mentioned, you all have been very interactive in today's session. And I believe definitely I'll be providing with all the informant and necessary information which I have with me, the experience, the trading tips in between the session. All right. Now see, dear traders, this blue momentum 14 period might intersect this orange line. Okay, I'm just zooming out for you all. All right, all right. Let's see if we are lucky enough. No, we are not. Again, it's not touching. So again, we need to wait here. Let's switch our set and try some other set. All right. Here it is. See here. Okay, I'm taking a risk again. See the intersection. See the intersection, and I have placed now one trade. All right, I'm switching to other asset to check more signals. Okay, Akpaksai Singh petition to promote Afrin as a full-time class teacher. All right, so that's I believe that will be like I'll be coming every week then, sir, to help you all with the trading ideas and my views related to trading. Okay, I'll be filing this petition on your behalf with my team, sir. Don't worry. Okay, Shaki, yes, please, thank you. Welcome, sir, welcome. Shakshi saying, ma'am, can you be my personal financial advisor and trading teacher, please? Mr. Shak, definitely I would love to become your financial analyst. The only thing is, I would recommend you to drop your request to our support team. We have this help section, and there will be, even if there will be any other analysts, sir, they will be helping you out. Okay, they'll be helping you out. Just drop a request to the customer support team of Olymptrade that you need a session, you need help in trading. They'll be looking after your statuses, and then as per that they will forward your request to the relevant team, and the right person will get in touch with you, sir. Don't worry. Okay, ma'am, you sound less energetic. Okay, sir. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm sounding that way, but this is the maximum voice which I have. Maybe my voice is that much, sir. You want me to increase it? Maybe your mobile volume should help you out, sir. This is the maximum sound now noise of my voice which I'm making. Unfortunately, I don't have a speaker, Mr. Akbar. I know, Mr. Akbar, you are cracking a joke, and it's completely fine, sir. It's completely fine. I'm happy that you have been very interactive. Okay, I got Mr. Devendra Singh hosting Asia Composite Index up. Okay, so I'm just going through the Asia Composite Index, and as you are saying, to open an up trade. Sir, I believe you were telling me somewhere at this point over here, but we are a bit late now with this. All right. So, Mr. Devendra, I'm not opening any trade with this asset because we are a bit late. As you know, sir, this intersection happened over here and we are almost four candles away. So we will wait again for certain asset. Suraj sir is asking, ma'am, I'm sorry, sir, we are not authorized to give any personal information. We are working as financial analyst with Oleum Trade Broker, sir. So unfortunately, we are following certain service agreement with them, and these details are not available with us to share with you. You can try, sir. Any doubts you have, Mr. Suraj, let me know in the comment section, sir. There's nothing like which you cannot mention in the comment section. Let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you out. And if there is anything much needed, let our support team know about it. They will drop your request to the relevant department and we will be getting in touch with you, sir. That will be for sure. Just you just need to drop your IDs to them. If you need any assistance, let us know. We have the support team. They are available through chat, email. Let us know, sir. We'll be definitely there to assist you, Mr. Suraj. Wow, let me just check. Okay, wow. Okay, there was one trade, Asia Composite Index. Okay, I got a profit. Cool. That's nice. All right. Now I'm switching with other asset and we'll try to get one signal. Well, there was one signal over here at Commodity Composite Index. You see, here it was at this point. If we would have opened our trade at this point, definitely it would have been in profit. Okay, Akpakji, haha, you are good, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for your all the compliment which you have made. Help me out with certain signals, dear traders. We are here now for more 5 to 8 minutes. Let me make some profit by your all of your help, and then we will be winding this session up for today. All right, let me take a risk again at Astro Index. I have opened one trade. All right, anything you want to ask, dear traders? We are here for more 5 to 8 minutes now. Kindly drop it in the comment section. I'm trying to address every comment, each and every comment. earliest as possible. I'm trying to read and go through every comments. All right. Okay, as I saw there was one interaction at Astro Index again over at this point, and I opened my downtrend. All right. All right, I got one comment from Devendra Singh sir that Europe composite up. Okay, sir, I was going after Astro Index as you are suggesting me to go with Europe composite index. So it was a signal at this point where we would have opened a down trade at over here, but unfortunately we'll have to wait. Let me just check what the next candle and this momentum is following and going through. We'll go as per that. All right, let me just check quickly. No, not getting any signal at Euro Composite Index. Let me try with some other asset. Not at Euro USD. Also, I believe I got only two signal in Index itself. Let me check Crypto Composite Index. Usually at this time, dear traders, the market goes very volatile. If you would have noticed in the evening, later in the evening time, somewhere around this after 6:30, 7 p.m., the market goes very volatile. It is volatile every time, but you're at this point of time, usually it is more volatile. So we need to be very careful, very, very careful while opening our trades because we never know what could be the next candle, what could be the next situation will be forming for us. Okay, I have taken a chance of Mahajantar index too. Let me just check my previous. Okay, that's sad that I got two of the negative result. All right, no worries. We'll try to catch more 3 4 signals if it is possible, and then we'll be winding up this session for today. Right, I'm using risk free trade because of course we are a bit late, few second late actually. The trade should have been opened over here, so that is the reason why I have used risk free deals. All right, any questions, any doubts, dear traders, do you have related to this Excel strategy? Any confusion, any doubts, anything related to the trading, let me know. I'm here today for more few minutes. So let me know. It's better, always better to ask than to make any mistakes in trading. So let us know. We are here, we are coming here every time to discuss all of your and clear all of your doubts. We try to give you all the knowledge to the best of possible way which is there in whatever experience we have in trading. We try to share it with you all so that you gain certain profit with the platform. So it's always like whenever you get a time, whenever you got a chance, definitely do drop it in the comment section. We can clear it out. All right, there's no signal at Europe Composite Index till now, Mr. Devendra. So, okay, Asia Composite Index, no. What about this currency pair? Currency pair, I believe it has not given us a signal today. We got most of the signal in indexes. All right, all right. No harm in that as long as we are getting a signal. Maybe sometimes, dear traders, you might be getting this rate of return less, but it's completely fine if you're getting a strong signal and the rate of return is less. Doesn't matter, I believe. As long as we are earning profit, at least you are getting something. This something is better than nothing. So even if the rate of return is less and we are achieving good signal, try to place your trade. Don't wait for 90% or 87%. As you might have noticed, I have been trying with all the assets. It is not with this particular 4 to 5 assets. I'm going and checking out any other assets, even if it is providing me with 80% of return. See the volatility of cricket composite index, guys. See it. Highly volatile asset for today. Let's check gold, and we'll be winding up this session. I believe I'm not getting the comments, so I believe you all have understood the strategy, and I have tried my level best to discuss all of your doubts, trading related, anything. I have tried my level best. All right. Akpak sir is saying bye, ma'am. Take care. Gonna miss your voice. Bye, sir. Take care. And I hope I'll be there back again soon to connect with you all. Okay. And Mr. Akpak, I hope you'll be joining our next sessions, upcoming sessions too. Maybe by tomorrow and also for the next week, sir. Take care, Mr. Akpak. Bye. Okay, Shak ma'am. When can I see you again? Shark ma'am is, sir, will try to connect with you. Unfortunately, right now I cannot commit you which webinar I'll be holding, but of course I'll try to get in touch with you all as early as possible. Okay, so I'll request the team will try to get in touch with you, sir. Okay, and keep the notification on for this Olymptrade practice channel so you get notified whenever these sessions are happening live, and you will be joining this session, sir. Okay, Suraj says, bye, ma'am, I hate you. Okay. Okay, Salim Ali sir is saying, my loss only, please help me. Sad to hear about your losses, Mr. Salim. Unfortunately, we are winding up this session for today. I would recommend you, sir, try to maintain or target in your trading, manage your risks and money properly, sir, and don't overtrade on our platform. Keep your targets at minimum amount and do as per that. And there is a help section, so do drop your trader id or drop it in the comment section. If you are at advanced or expert status on our platform, we will assign someone to assist you with your trade as a personal analyst, as a financial analyst. So Mr. Salim, there will be someone who will be connected with you. Okay, do drop it in the comment section or else let our support team know. Yes, Shark says, ma'am, can you share your social? I'm so sorry, Mr. Shark. I cannot share anything related to social medias of mine, personal. That's completely not a possible, sir. I'm not authorized to do that, sir. Anything related to trading, let our support team know. Okay. Send me please Instagram Salim Ali. No, oh English. Salim sir, I'm so sorry. Today's session is in English language. For Urdu and Hindi, you can connect tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday or the next week Tuesday around 7 p.m. So there will be a Hindi session and it will be also live taken by different analysts of volume trade. So you can join that, sir. Okay, and please let our support team know in the help section for the trading assistant. We will check your status and as per that they will provide you the assistance, or you can drop the trader ID in the comment section. All right, dear traders, time to wind up this session. Thank you so much, every one of you. It's been a very nice and interactive session today. Have a great and profitable trading in your own accounts, dear traders. I wish you all the success. Thank you for joining, taking time out. Have a really great evening. Good luck for your trading. Bye bye. Take